course going to help me in accelerating my career?
So this program, as I said, it is in an accelerated format. It is an 18-month program, which is 15 months taught plus 3 months the actual live project. So I'll talk about the project later. But it is basically meant for those professionals who have had a taste of the industry. So that's at least 5 years. That's our minimum entry criteria. So you've gone, had a taste of work. Now you want to come back to academia because you want to take your career to the next level, or you want to accelerate the growth of your career, or you want to transition your career from one industry to the other. And professionals really want to do that. So we are looking. This program is for ambitious professionals. See and recognize that in today's world, the kind of skills that are required from professionals are changing. They're changing at a very rapid pace. So you have to come back to the classroom to sort of equip yourselves with the skills which are in demand within the industry. So this is what the program does. It talks about the classic stuff, which is strategy and leadership, but at the same time there's a flavor of analytics, there's a flavor of fintech, there's a flavor of negotiation skills, a lot of hands-on workshops. So there's a lot of theoretical grounding, but at the same time hands-on workshops which allow you to develop tangible skills, which allow you to make a meaningful impact in your workplace. So we try to keep you as little as possible in the classroom. That's 18 months. That's the minimum amount of time you spend, and then we get you back into the industry. So within those 18 months, our job is to provide you with a unique set of skills, which allow you to have a transformational impact within whichever organization that you will join in.